So I'm still reading Targeting of Starseeds by Darlington Moses. And he just suddenly out of nowhere just said that we are in a hardware, and this soulless people put us in a hardware. And he spoke about some electric grid. So in this page here, like 2-3 pages. And so I wanted to check, like, for here he talks about some electric grid. Bodies are bioengineered, and the bodies are robots. And anyway, so these people started to twitch my left side of the leg that, yeah, you are in some electric grid. So they also want to now talk about implants and stuff, okay, that CIA and FBI people keep talking about, you know, the electric grids, and how we are like given this shooting needle pain. So they just gave me shooting needle pains on the right side of my abdomen that they've started ever since I started cooking for dinner for you know, the Italian thing. So now I again came here and I was just reading again. I came to this page where it said that the story tells about how star seeds are actual gods. And then I was just going through down here, and that is when again somebody just honked the horn, of the same horn that, you know, if you heard the video of Thomas Horn, where I just started to sit and I was starting to read that book. I did not even open the book, but somebody just honked the horn 3 times first. Then there was little gap because I think I was adjusting myself, you know, and then yeah, and then the moment I was like about to open the book, the horn started, and so I started recording. So in the recording with the initial of the video, there was a honking going on. Somebody is honking the horn, probably of the boat or some car or something, some vehicle. At the same time, the ambulance siren started. So here again, at this first ambulance came, you know, I just made this video that at this particular line, or we are the higher dimensional beings. That was the line, not the God thing, but here, this is when the ambulance came. Starseeds are being of a higher frequency that somehow end up inhabiting these bodies that naturally contain low frequency. And then I was just flipping pages to see something, because now he talks about hardware and bioengineered bodies and electric grid. So and then he even totally denies that there is no God, okay? So now it starts the ambulance siren. See, even like when I'm talking about the God thing, now they want to start ambulance siren too. Look, you see how it's all being synchronized. So first somebody honked the horn, then I'm making the video about the God thing, and now you see how the ambulance started again at the same thing, the high. Now the ambulance is going back. You see, first it came this way, okay, and now it's going back because it was just hanging out here somewhere. And now it's probably going back. Okay, now it's your time to go back, because she's reading the same line again, the high frequency and to low frequency. I'm from high frequency. I'm like God or something. And so this is how they do the first. And I couldn't record the honking because honking was done, okay? And then I had to start recording this video and leave what I was reading. And there you see honking and ambulance siren, and the same sentence, high frequency to low frequency, like we are high beings of high frequency, and we are given these low frequency bodies and these soulless controllers, and there is some electric grid. But what was the line? Yeah, we are the gods, okay? We are the gods. There is no real God. Moses Darlington totally denies that there is any God or God exists on this earth. And all these stars that are being made in universe, it's made by our energies. So these people are here to torture us so that they can harvest energy from us. And he talks about different realm and stuff, and I don't think so there is any technologies in different realm. The only technology in different realm is genes and demons and their witchcraft, nothing else.